Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about how to make your Drupal site faster, how to make it good rated in page speed and sites, and you can see also on Gtmetrix you can get a good numbers too. This is my new site. It's about graphics, and I'll give you hints how to make your site in Gtmetrix in grade A and Yslow also. I'll give you some hints. It's not a detailed video, but when you are starting your site you will search about a lot of information, and I think it will be helpful to give you the shortcut to what you need to search for. So the first thing you see, it's the first thing it will ask you for leverage your browser caching. As you see, it's a great page speed, and when you start your site you may find this 99. After the exercise I'll give you the hints that I'll give you in this video. First thing, you will need to leverage browser caching, and you can do that by editing the htaccess file, and when you search for leverage browser caching Drupal, you will find, I think, a lot of helpful. This one is good, so you can add this code to your htaccess file, but the problem is it will not work. Why? You will need to enable mode expire in Apache server. So you will search to how to enable mode expire in Apache or in Ubuntu. Take these links. This one is good. So sudo a2 enable en mode module name, yes, this one, mode expire, and if you want to disable it you will use this, and then you will start your Apache service. This one, the first one is leverage browser caching. The second is minify. You will find a very good Drupal module called minify. So when you go to this one, you can copy and install. It's nothing unusual. This site I'm using Bartik theme, just messing with it a little, but it's Bartik theme with nice menus module. After you enable the minify module, minify, yes, you will enable. You will not find anything here, but you can go to configuration and performance, development performance, and you can find it here, minify JavaScript files, and you can select them all. After you refreshing your front page and going to different pages, you will find these files, so you can minify. After you minify, you can go to performance, and then you will find this option unchecked. Then you will check it and save configuration. Of course, you will need to cache pages and cache blocks, and check all these boxes. So you will use the performance caching in Drupal. The third thing, or maybe the fourth, after enabling the cache, the fourth is advanced aggregation. Advanced aggregation is a very helpful module also. Advanced aggregation Drupal. As you see, I'm searching for modules here. It's very fast and faster than Drupal site itself. Advanced aggregation is a very good module, so you can copy and then install it, and after enabling the module you will find configuration, performance, development, performance, advanced aggregation. It will open this tab, and you can use this setting, and you can read the documentation for more helpful hints. GS compression, it will tell you can use much faster C version of JSmin by installing JSmin PHP extension in your server. Then again, you should have the ability to access your server to install things like JSmin and enabling modules, or you may ask your host if it's a managed server. As you can see, I will not go to all the details, but you can read documentation about everything. I'm just giving you hints and maybe some steps you can go with. The other thing is a module called expire. Configuration modules, expire, cache expiration. You will find it here also. Expire cache expiration. This one, project expire. I think this is a helpful module also. The last thing, I think you should use your ABC caching. It's one of the most important modules to use on your site. I think that's all. After you doing these steps, ABC caching, yes, Drupal. You will find the documentation on how to install it. It's easier. It's a very easy module to install. So, mod expire, module minify, advanced aggregation, ABC caching, sometimes you will need to the images. If you have an image on the site like this one, add a new content, whatever. I think I have a content type with an image. Okay. When you do that, it will tell you that you should make it smaller here, and you can do that by configuration and media and toolkit. Where is the image style? No, not here. Configuration, media, file setting. The good exercise to download image lazy loader. It's good too. Media browser, image toolkit. I'm searching for this one. You can make this 70% or 65%. This will be good also to make the images take less space or less size. After all, you will find yourself in grade A. Don't worry. I think you should start with these steps the first thing after you installing your site on the server, before you're doing anything. To why? Because you should notice when you do every change on your site, will it affect the speed or not. So when you start doing this thing, you will find your grade is 99. So when you install another modules or doing another things on your site, you'll know what make it go back to 90% or 93 or things like that. I hope this video is helpful, and sorry for my English, it's not so perfect. Goodbye.